Recent excavations in the ancient Greek city-state of Notion, led by the University of Michigan, have unearthed a stash of Persian gold coins. The treasure was found stored in an olb, a type of small jug, and buried in the corner of a dwelling beneath the courtyard of a house that dates back to the 3rd century BC. The coins have been identified as Persian darics, which are named either after the Old Persian word for gold or after Darius I. He ruled the Persian Empire, also known as the Achaemenid Empire, as the King of Kings from 522 to 486 BC. These coins depict the Persian king wearing a long tunic and kneeling while holding a bow and a long spear on the obverse, with the reverse marked only by a punch mark. Given that such coins were typically used to pay soldiers of fortune, the hoard is believed to represent a mercenary's savings, hidden away during a time of conflict in a contested frontier region. Christopher Ratte of the University of Michigan, who leads the archaeological team at Notion, said that no one ever buries a hoard of coins, especially precious metal coins, without intending to retrieve it, so only the gravest misfortune can explain the preservation of such a treasure. Notion was established on the west coast of Anatolia in modern-day Turkey. The city served as the primary port for pilgrims traveling to the nearby Oracle of Apollo at Claros. In the mid-6th century BC, Notion was conquered by the Achaemenid Empire, but it was liberated during the Greco-Persian Wars. The city later joined the Delian League, an alliance led by Athens, which was formed to defend against the Persian threat and to mount offensive operations. The majority of the surviving remnants of Notion date from the 3rd to the 1st century BC, during the Hellenistic period, and include the city walls, necropolis, the Temple of Athena, the Agora, and the theater.